I didn't take pictures of everything. The pictures shown are from the plug from the rear end. They happen to be magnetic from the factory. But the metal debris on that white paper towel is actually from my dimple plug from my oil pan. And I installed the dimple plug at 700 miles and changed the oil at 1500 miles. So all that metal there is from 800 miles. And that's it.
Go ahead.
A lot of metal in there.
Pick it up.
So let that be your guide. Change all your oils. First I thought it was some type of moly lube on the plug, but no.
There you go.
It's all metal shavings.
Yeah.